Hello, my name is Brian Beers, and this is my CS445 final project. I'm gonna go over this real quickly just so you know what to expect and how to kind of go about running this. So, obviously, I have my final project code as a Jupyter notebook right here. I have steps on how to run it with certain environment and dependencies that you'll need. I have various photos in here, JPEGs, that you can use to kind of test out this code. It's super interesting, and you can play around with it a lot because I have a bunch of little toggleable features that you can play around with, kind of work around to see how you want to get a depth map or point cloud image. So point cloud. So it's really cool, and I highly suggest just running through the different photos that I have here for you, or implementing your own, because I really like it. So I have code, JPEGs, results folder for the results you get, and then this README. So going through this, we have our dependencies. I import what I need. I decide what device is gonna run. If I can run CUDA, then I use that. Or else I just use the CPU. I load the Midas models, and then I start working with the image. I start calculating the depth maps and the point clouds. So and usually I'm gonna work with DPT large, because the pictures that I have in here are small enough to be run very quickly, under a minute, with DPT large. But DPT hybrid is also very good. It gives good results really fast. So if you have larger pictures that you want to try, I would recommend this, or if you don't want to reduce them. So I go through and I calculate the depth maps and the point clouds, and then I can come here and calculate my mesh that I can export to Blender. If it's a photo, I have a method that removes the background, or helps remove the background. And then I just have the displays here. So here's the main display for the depth map. Here's the mesh display, or depth map, and point cloud. Yeah, for display res. Display mesh gives the mesh. I have a working GIF for it as well, and then I can export it all to a results folder. And so then it's the main method, which is just processing the image. And this is where I'll encourage you to put in a different photo, put in different things here. Turn off contrast, turn off sketch mode, turn on remove background, play with the smoothing, play with the downsampling. There's a lot of cool stuff that I put in here, and I hope that you kind of enjoy just playing around with this, because it was a super fun project to implement, just kind of work with. So here, I'll give you a couple of examples.